Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us today for a very interesting session. Data Capture Systems, DCS, is one of our valuable partners in the Middle East and has a very crucial role to play in acquiring Choithrams, which is one of the largest supermarket chains in the UAE as a customer. Today, we are going to bring on the virtual stage Chandrakala Reddy, who is the key account manager at DCS, to talk a little bit about partnership between Yellow AI and DCS and various aspects of this partnership. Chandra, welcome and thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much, Aditi. Thank you for the opportunity, actually.
Great. So before we move further, Chandra, can you give our audience a brief introduction about yourself and about DCS as well?
Since you have already introduced me, my name is Chandrakala, and I am the key account manager for Data Capture Systems. We have been in this region since 1989. We started off as the pioneers of AIDC solutions, which means any data capturing solutions, whether it's barcode, RFID, wireless network, or AI-based solutions in the current decade that we are talking about. We are well versed with the technology, and the same is being presented to all our customers across 7 countries and with 11 offices.
Great. Thanks, Chandra. And if I may ask, why did you choose to partner with Yellow AI?
Why not would be the question then. It's like old gen meets the next gen because we have the expertise and we have been in this region long enough, but Yellow AI was a very new solution for us as well as data capture systems, and it came at the right moment, just when everyone was going through the pandemic and they were stressed out, and the retail customers that we have were not sure of how to engage with their customers. I think it was the perfect solution for us that we could take and give it to our customers as a value added service, something
Right.
that they required at that moment. And I think it was the perfect timing.
Absolutely. What is your take on, conversational AI and the use of intelligent virtual assistants when it comes to your customer engagement?
Conversational AI, I mean, that is the future. With the pandemic, the call centers were impacted. The customers wanted a resolution, but the client did not have the support that is required to meet the customer's needs. Conversational AI is perfect in that because we don't have to depend, our customers don't have to depend on call center or any other mode of communication for responding to the customers. It is real time, it is quick, and the customer does not have to either call and wait in the queue or send an email and wait for about 24 to 48 hours for a response. It's immediate, so the customer is happy, and that's what we want at the end of the day.
Right, great. What is the role that DCS takes on in the partnership with Yellow AI?
I think everyone in Yellow Messenger is a friend of mine right now. I think the same feeling goes for all my other colleagues as well. It's the support that we have got from Yellow Messenger, which has been just amazing. When we started the Choithram project, yes, there was a lot of teething issues, but nothing that your team or couldn't manage. It was they made it easy. They made it stress free for us. So yeah, we do look forward to doing more business with you guys, just based on that one experience that we had.
Absolutely. Thanks, Chandra. And to tell you, the feeling is mutual. Likewise.
I'm glad to hear that.
And that brings us to the end of this session. Chandra, once again, thank you so much for joining us and taking out the time. Thank you so much.
Thank you again. Yeah, thank you to you guys. You all are giving me the opportunity to actually present our solution, our customer, and I mean that's why you guys are so great.
Thanks. So, folks, if you have any questions, please feel free to email us at contact@yellow.ai and we will get back to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you again. Take care.